Chapter 2 Writing a C# program. First, writing to the console. Console applications perform all their input and output at the command line. They are ideal for quickly trying out language features and writing command line utility. Example, writing hello world. We would need to display hello world word after we run the C# application. So console, it doesn't have the UI. It displays as the command prompt or window. Second, understand keyword and identifier. Keywords are words that have special meaning in the C# language. Those words have been set aside in C# and are referred to as reserved words. The word class, static, and void are the reserved words. Each keyword has been defined by the C# language as having a special meaning. The following list contains all of keywords defined by C#, such as abstract, as, base, bold, break, by case. So this list shows all the keywords in C#. Identifier are names that you use in the application. C# does not reserve identifier name. Identifier are words that name item in your C# code. Your class needed a name and you use the name hello world for your class. This makes the name hello world an identifier. Your method also needed a name, and you use the name main for your function. This makes the name main as identifier. The C# compiler does not ordinarily allow you to use any of reserved keyword as an identifier name. You will get an error if, for example, you try to name a class static. If you really need to use a keyword name as an identifier, however, you can precede the identifier with the add symbol. This overrides the compiler error and enables you to use a keyword as an identifier. Using Whitespace. The tag of C# application can include space, tab, and carriage. Return. Those characters are called a Whitespace character. Whitespace character which can be placed anywhere except in the middle of a keyword or identifier. Help improve the readability of your code. The C# compiler ignores the placement of Whitespace when compiling a program. Here is the Whitespace class and enter the class name hello world. Here we call the Whitespace. So when you run the C# application, it will ignore an error. Third, commenting your code. Commenting your code lets you add note to your C# source file. This note can help you document the design and flow of your application. Command can appear anywhere in your C# source code where Whitespace is illegal. Using one-line command. One-line command begin with 2 slashes. or we call double slash, and remain in effect for the rest of the launch. Here is a double slash. It is a command. Using a regular command begin with a slash followed by an asterisk and remain in effect until an asterisk followed by a slash is found. Regular command can span multiple lines. Here is the command with the multiple lines. The C# compiler does not let you embed one regular command witness another. This one is error. We cannot do like that. We cannot embed regular command in regular command. We are done for chapter 2, and thank you so much for your watching. Don't forget to subscribe this channel.